So we're here at the Brenda A plan. It's a one-story plan, 84 square feet, 4-bed, 3.5 bath. It's actually a plan that's been the most popular in the community, so I'm excited to show it to you. Come check it out. We have a custom steel door with double pane glass on the entry. You come in through the foyer, it's 14 feet high. And then once you come in through the living space, up to 18 feet, sliding glass doors that creates inside-outside living, fireplace, linear burner. We're in the Brenda A, which is a one-story plan, open floor plan, vaulted ceilings in the living space. You get into your kitchen area, you have a huge island, Miele appliances, but also a breakfast area, kind of dining area. And as you come through here, it's all kind of a space that you can live and entertain together. And I showed you guys on another social media post, I was in Mexico, and these are the similar sliding glass doors that I was referencing. Inside, outside living, and when you're entertaining, you can be on your back patio or in your living space or in your kitchen or breakfast area all at the same time. So now we're in the master bedroom, open floor plan obviously, huge back windows. We do a barn door sliding into your master bath. And you'll see as you come in here, big shower, big soaking tub, double vanity, and some really nice layout for you.